Hi guys, welcome back. I am sharing the Greeting Farm kit. This is the latest kit available, and once this kit is gone, it is gone for good, and I have limited quantities. It's called Spellbinding. It is so cute. You get so many images in here, so it's such a great value. You could use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off. Plus I have it marked down on sale. And it is just so cute. It reminds me of Harry Potter. Isn't it cute? We've got sentiments. It's all so magical. Casting you a happy day. Absolutely spellbinding. Charmed. And there's little elements to create a scene with. Super cute. I love the Greeting Farm kits. They're such a great value. So I will have the link in the description box for this kit. Remember, once it is gone, it is gone. And sometimes the Greeting Farm will bring back an older kit, but it won't be for a while if they do that. So if you really want this, I would jump on it because I only have, I think, 10 available. Yes, 10. So I'll have everything listed below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for shopping, guys.